First, we'll pry out the flaps on the passenger door. Remove the screws inside. Pry the lights out of the locker. Remove the lamp and unscrew the inside. Next, pry out the passenger seat trim. Remove the screws inside. Pry out the decorative bar on the left side of the screen. Remove the inside screws. Remove the cup holder. Pry the lid off the handle. Remove the inside screws. Take out the gear shift. Pry out the decorative board. Unscrew the bottom screws. Remove P key. Continue to pry out the trim. Remove the screws inside. Take out the trim. Unplug. Continue to remove screws. Take armrest out. Remove screen screws. Pry out the central control trim. Take the screw out of the air outlet on the trim board. Put the air vent on the new panel. Put on the passenger screen. Pry out the host with a special key. Host power cable and connect to our cable. Connect the other end of cable to the host and install back the host. Now we're done with the decorations.